welcome back to my channel. My name is Jennifer and we will be continuing on with Santa's laundry, and in this particular video I will be working on his scarf, as you can see on the instructions. And it's an interesting scarf, but I will show you most of the steps and try my best to show you those. So this scarf is not stuffed at all, but it kind of has two parts. So this first part kind of goes in the back, and then the smaller part goes in the front. So the way that you apply it will be interesting. Right now I'm just working on the little white X's that you can see on the instructions, and I'm using white thread, and I'm just doing little X's. Now that we're done with the X's, we're going to add the strips of green onto the scarf. And each strip has a set of beads and sequins. So I'm just going to show you what they look like and how to do them. Okay, so I cut each stripe out, and I placed a pin to position it where I want it so it doesn't move around, and then I'm going to take green thread that matches, and I'm going to applique each piece onto the scarf. after each stripe is appliqued, we are going to put some fringe on the bottom. So I'm just going to show you how I do that. This is what the fringe looks like. And I'm just going to slowly show you how to do the fringe. I do also have a separate video for fringe if you want to check that out. I will link it up top in the cards and down below in the description box. Okay, after you finish putting all the fringe on here, then you just take your scissors and you cut the ends. This is a great way to do fringe because then you have a uniform look. So I like to cut all of my fringe at the very end. And it just makes it look nice and neat. I'm just checking the length here. You can actually cut them as long or as short as you want. Okay, perfect. All right, so now I'm going to do the exact same thing with the other side of the scarf with the top side. So this is the back, and then now we're going to work on the front side. Okay, perfect. So the front is now complete, and now we are just appliquing the front piece to the back piece. My thread likes to get caught. Just make sure you go nice and slow. Okay. Just trying to position it in the best spot so I get the results that I want. And I'm using red. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you like these types of tutorials and embroidery, if you like to make Bucilla kits or any type of felt kit, subscribe to my channel. Or any type of embroidery. I do machine embroidery too. I also have an Etsy shop that's in the description box below. Check that out. I've got some awesome items in there. And we are almost done with this scarf. It turned out so cute. And the way that you make it, it's actually much simpler than it looks. Okay. Copper, my dog Copper is in the background, scratching himself in his cage. Alright, I'm just trying to applique it, sorry. Okay, there we go. I got it where I wanted it. Tell me in the comments below if you like fringe. I remember when I first learned fringe, I struggled, to be honest. It was one of the harder things for me to learn, and it took some practice, for sure. But the effect is so great. Like, I really love the way that it makes the scarf come alive. It looks real and something that you could wear. All right, great. We are done with it. turned out so great. I'm going to remove the pin, and there we go, the finished scarf. Perfect. Okay, I will see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.